Now, one reason why your 1% battery might last a long time is that your phone's playing it safe. It has 1% battery left for you to use Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, stream a movie, all while downloading a system update. But if you're just scrolling your feed, 1% is going to last a while. There's also a bit of psychology in it. When you see that your phone's about to turn off, it kind of encourages you to plug it in ASAP. By the way, modern batteries can't be fully charged or fully drained. Your smartphone has a protection circuit in it to save its battery. When it shuts down and says you have 0% battery, there's actually a tiny bit of juice left in there, but your device is designed not to use it. If a modern battery somehow magically got to actual zero, you wouldn't be able to charge it again and you'd have to get yourself a new phone.